Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back. Actually with a rough rough day trading recap, but I survived. I'm glad stopping out. I'm stopping out when I need to. Proper risk reward, as you can see here. Like I end up really good green because of risk reward and proper stop out. But sorry about that. Um, yeah, but the thing is, I have to try it a few times before I even get the profit I wanted. So yeah, it was tough. It was tough, but I made it. I made it. So as you can see here, I'm still long. Shop at 30.65 here. So I was risking just low of day. I was trying it a few times, risking the low of day. Yeah, eventually worked. Same here. I was trying to use this area here that I have 30.80 something and 63. So I was using this area. I used this area here. I was just following all the levels. Max will be at low of days, which is 30.55, as you can see here, 30.55. And I have this level at 30.40. It didn't even touch it, so it held this 30.63. I'm glad I saw this level somewhere. If you look left, you will see all those levels. You can compare. What else? Yeah, so at first, the thing is, the reason why I didn't want to take it short is, the thing with shorting is you have to, well, my experience with shorting with a stock that's down like this, when you short it, it can squeeze really quickly. So it's scary. I don't know where, like it's hard. So most of the stocks that I've been seeing lately are SSR. So it's really hard for me to short. So what I'm planning was what I planned here was just risk low day, right? So when I shorted this, I risk low day. Oh, not short. When I took it long, I shorted. When I took it long, I risked low day. I took it long, kind of risking somewhere here, but I stopped out and I didn't lose. Let's see. Yeah, so I didn't lose a lot in there. I probably lost half. Took it long again. Pop. I didn't. The thing is, I wasn't taking a lot of profit, so I wasn't really breaking even. So this is where I kind of got break even actually at this trade here. So I took it long again, risked the low of day, took profit, and it didn't work. Tried again, took profit, didn't work. So this is where it worked the third time. So imagine how many tries: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 7, 8. So this maybe you don't include. This is a separate trade. So the time I was trying it was around this area here. So eventually I caught it, but look at the risk reward, right? So just low risk low day. Look at the risk reward. That's what I was looking for here. So I stopped out. See here, I stopped out. And the third try, it worked. Just use the levels and then wait for that big drop. Like that big drop was good. So that's like, risking probably low of that candle as well. So that's what I did. Yeah, so same here. I saw that it's really holding this 63. As you can see, if you look left, you will see 63 somewhere. Yeah, I was just using that and it worked. So in terms of shares, I did a lot of shares because I did a few tries, because most of the time when I trade the open, I just, trade and one and done, right? Trade and one and done. But this one, it wasn't working because it was an SSR, it was a nicey stock. There's a lot of things why it wasn't working in one and done. Even here, I did not take a lot of profit because I was waiting, right? Yeah, so I took 25% here. Yeah, looking at it now. Yeah, so, but I'm happy. I'm green. Yeah, happy. So yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, so right now I still have a trade. I'm just letting it go for a trading stop. I'll let it go because that's my last trade for the day. And it's time for me to prepare for work. I have an hour left to relax. Yeah, and let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It's been great. Today was a bit tough, but we're surviving. Green day. I'm happy. Yeah, let's watch. Let me take profit here. Yeah, it's that was a good one. Yeah. So let's do trailing stop again. Trailing stop is how much? 50, let's say 50, 60 cents. Yeah. So after taking profit, I'll, because this will eventually go up, right? So maybe we'll get all out at 70 if we get lucky. But yeah, let's watch. Yeah, so as you can see here, I was watching Shop. I also have what's this, GE on my list, but GE is a 1 billion stock. It's same for Shop. It's a 1 billion market cap or float. So it's gonna be hard, and they're both like more on the expensive side. So GE has like crazy spread, as you can see here, 30-cent spread. That's why I was like, I need to avoid that. So let's watch Shop. Okay, sells off at the open. I was watching what to do with it. So okay, so now we're at a level which is 31.15, right? It moved about 74 cents, so that's about 2%. So that 2% is actually a big move, a really big move for the first minute. It also has volume 1.3, 70, so you can probably risk half of it, which is 30 cents. So that's 1%, right? So let's see what I did. Okay, it moved 70 cents. I was waiting, and I saw that I have a level here that I can play with, which is 30.83. So let's wait for this to go to a red candle, a green candle. So it went for a green candle. This moved about 35 cents, as you can see here. No, you don't. You see it? So as you can see here, moved about 35 cents. So I kind of immediately know how much I will be risking. There you go. So I risk probably, how much? 26. I risk a bit bigger on this one, actually. Probably because I wasn't sure about it. So I took profit in there. But imagine if you risk 30 cents in that. So that's 30 and 60. That's 1-to-1 already, right? So I waited for it to turn green or blue, and then took profit here. That's 1-to-1 actually. I only taken the 25% in there, so I stop out at break even. Okay, so one stop out, small green. There we go. So there's another level that I'm looking at it now, which is 3060, 3083 area. So this is the level. Let's see where. Okay, one sec. That's okay. So I kind of don't like that wick there. And that was a chase. That was a chase. I need to get out here. I need to get at 31. I need to get out at 31. Yeah, so that's what I did. Yep. Because that was a chase. Good entry will be somewhere here. So when I recognize that I'm chasing, I need to prepare to get out right away because I know I was chasing. Let's see. So I tried again. One sec. Let me just. I need to cough. So I tried again. Let's see what happened. So this, I was looking for a pop to VWAP. I have few levels here. I have levels here to kind of play around with. I don't know how much I was risking. 30 cents, yeah. So it's just paying around 1% of the stock. So that's 31 cents. Okay, let's take a pop. Above VWAP. Oh my god, that was late. I was probably not paying attention. So this, I'm red because of this. So I'm still red because I stopped out. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm still within, I'm still not in a big red loss. Let's see, let's wait for another level. Okay. I was waiting for this actually, 30-40. But we need to wait for a confirmation. So that's kind of a confirmation actually that someone's defending it. Look at the volume, 500,000. But you never know. It's like a bear flag, right? Could form into a bear flag, right? Okay. That was 30% risk. I can risk just half of it, which is 63. I'll be risking half of it. I need like probably 31.10 to take some off. Struggling. Okay, it's strong now. I'll take some profit. 31.10. That's what I'm thinking right now. Yep. Okay, take profit. Yeah, I did not take profit in there. Actually, that could have been a green day for me. I should have taken all out and then just, rethink. But yeah, I should have taken a 1-to-1 in there. Yeah, that's the thing when you're risking. Like, I don't want to risk really tightly in here because it could just drop really hard. Okay, let's see. Probably try again. I like those wicks in here. This is a bit tighter, I think. Is it? No, it's tighter. This is 20 cents risk. A little bit tight. Sorry about that. So that's half. I'm half of the move that I wanted, and then it's just dropping. So 93 is my average. I need maybe 23 or 33. I need VWAP for this move. I thought it's making like an ABCD or a bull flag, small bull flag, or a reversal. This is good. Higher highs, higher lows. And I stopped out because I felt like, okay, it did not defend 31. Man, this is tough. So I tried again. How much? 30 cents. But we'll be risking just 63. So I'm not in the red anymore. This gave me a bit of profit. So kind of close to break even at that point. And then because of this, now I'm back in green. Okay. It's just a few try. But the thing is, in terms of shares, I've been taking a lot of shares. I just want to trade one to one. And it's already 10 o'clock. So I was actually talking to myself, maybe after this trade, should I, stop trading? So that's the move. So 2 to 1, that's the move. Slowly taking partial. So this is where I will get most of my profit. Let's see. Target is somewhere 70, 60 area, like here. I can actually just stop trading now. If I've taken all of it here, I can just stop. But there's some parts of me that my winning rate was really low at this point, and I was like, I was a bit pissed. Like, looking at it now, stopping out a few times. And the thing is, I have to respect my stop. See how I respected my stop here, how I respected my stop. I respected my stop. I respected my stop. That's how you survive. That's how you survive. So I'm really happy now. The average is 76. Let's fast forward this. I think, yeah, I added here. New average is 31. 13.99, and I held this because it was not a big size anymore. I've taken most of it here. So I only have, like few shares to play with. 10% actually. At 10% I can play with. So the move I did here, I've slowly taken partials. I can play around with this. That's what I was thinking. I was like, it's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce. I was convincing myself it's gonna bounce. And it's like, what? I should have stopped out in here. Just telling myself it's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce. Let's fast forward. So it's right below my break even now. I did not stop, but I'm glad it's not a big share because I've taken most of it here. So I'm kind of like re-averaging just small shares. So it's, in terms of size, I'm back. How much? Let's look. Yeah, so I'm back like 20% here, 20% of my size. So this is the full size, right? So it's not really big. So let's fast forward that. Fast forward, and I think I stopped out. Yeah, so I stopped out there. Yeah, because I said, okay, I need to stop out. So I gave back very little in there. Very, very small amount. Still green, but I did not like that. I said, and that could have been a nice day if I've taken everything here. And that's what I'm learning right now. It's like how to take all out instead of taking small partial until I get a break even. One more try. So that's the one. Okay, I got to stop. I need to. Yeah, I stopped out. So one more try in there. I stopped out. Okay, back a bit. I tried again, risking this low of the 55 area. I'll be risking 10 cents on this one. Slowly digging partials. I need 31 actually to make money out of it. To make more. It was a rough day. It was hard for me to get a good risk reward in there because it was a short. It was actually stronger in the short side, but like I said, it was an SSR. I didn't want to. It's funny, I held this. I did not follow my rule against stopping out at break even. So average is 3065 because I have this level here that I said it's actually bouncing in this area at 63. And my average is really good. I don't want to give up. I was even tempted to add in here. I said like, if it drops to 58, maybe I'll stop out, or 59. 58, 59. It's at 58 now. Someone's buying it. I can tell. You can see. One sec. Green. Okay, someone sells. Green. Look at that. Do you see that green? It's a lot, right? There you go. That was the sign. Okay, so I've taken some off. Let's fast forward this. Come on. So average is 3065. Okay, and recording is almost done. And I still have, I haven't got, wait, let me check. Let me see. Take profit. There you go. That was a really good move. Yeah. So stop out. No, I did not. I did not stop out, right? I was talking earlier about my recording. One sec. Actually, it's done. Yeah, the replay is done. Wow, that was great. Yeah, that was a nice move. 80 cents. Basically, I don't have a lot of shares anymore. So I've taken mostly here and here. Yeah, but you know what? Let's just close this trade and be done for the day, maybe. Put range order. Range. Oh no, let me. Yes, so let me post this recap and I'll close this trade. So thank you guys. Sorry about that. It was a bit messy, but you know, it's all about risk reward. For me, imagine if I held, I'll probably win on most of my trades. But the thing is, I'm teaching you risk reward in here. What if it doesn't? You know, what if, let's say if you look here, let's say what if you took it long here? See, the risk reward is really bad. I know it's gonna go back like that, but you never know. It could probably drop more if you take it long here, like what I did here. You took it long here, Your risk is somewhere just here, let's say 30 cents or 31, and drop more, so you lose, two trades, right? Instead of half or just one trade. Yeah. I hope I'm a good teacher here. So don't do what I did there, holding your winners, holding your losers, not winners. Like this was a loser, and I had to give up and stop out because I'll laugh at myself if I don't. Here, I'm saying here or here. Anyways, yeah. So thank you for watching, and hope you guys learned something at least. Subscribe for updates. Bye.